Welcome everyone to my video in which I am going to show you how to create Moody washed out effect in Photoshop with some color grading. This is the image I started and this is what I come up at the end. So if you want to create washed out image, if you want to do this Moody color grading, I am going to show you how to do this, as this is my personal image. And if you like this type of photography, also if you like city photography, follow me on Instagram at martinem90. Link is in the description. And now we are going to move to the effect. So I'm not going to repeat the effect on this image. We are going to start with other image. As you can see, another from the travel in Cape Town I did with my girlfriend. So first of all, I want to create the wash out effect. And there's actually a few different ways how you can do this. In Photoshop, my favorite way to do this is by using exposure adjustment layer and then increasing the offset. So as you can see, if I go up with the offset, this creates the really nice washed out effect. If you don't want this to desaturate, just change blending mode to luminosity and then you will preserve the color values. As you can see on this image, it doesn't look well, and if you are okay with this small desaturation, keep it normal. Other way to make this wash out effect is available for any other software. You can use curves and just drag up the curve adjustment layer for the shadows and down for the highlights. In this case, I like more the effect that I created by offset, but I lost a lot of contrast, which I don't really like here. So what I am going to do, I am choosing levels adjustment layer, and then with levels I am trying to increase the slider for shadows and the highlights. Once again, in this case you check whether suits you more normal blending mode or luminosity blending mode. I'm going to keep it normal as well because it gave me back some of the saturation I really needed. As the next step is color grading, and here you can use anything you want. You can use curves, you can use color balance, which actually gives you a lot of possibilities if you want to grade it, because you can selectively color grade shadows. For example, want to add some more blue maybe and some more red, and then for the highlights maybe something opposite, some yellow for the highlights and also some red, and it will create to us some of this really nice sunset effect. So then we can of course go further. For example, small corrections. I will use hue saturation for this. And what I am going to do, I feel the face, the legs might be a little bit too saturated. I'm choosing the hand in hue saturation. I try to locate the color that's here. It's recognized as reds, and I'm trying to change a little bit of the hue. So I'm adding a little bit of the hue, and now it's just perfect and corrected. So everything to the group, selecting top layer, shift all layers, then command or control and G to the group before and after. Very simple washed out Moody effect in Photoshop is created. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, tell me what you want to see next, and I am going to see you in the next Photoshop tutorial. Thank you.